Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that sending money internationally is a terrible and costly experience, especially when sending money from a developed country to an emerging economy. Usually the faster options are the most expensive ones, charging from 10 to 20% in commission. I am from Venezuela, a country going through hyperinflation and economical crisis, and today there are zero options to send money there until Valiu. We have created the most effective system to send money abroad using cryptocurrencies. We are under product development in one of the most active markets in the world for remittances, with 1 million people actively sending money from Colombia to Venezuela. However, this is a $613 billion opportunity, and we plan to tackle emerging economies like Africa, Mexico, and 80 more countries where remittances are king. Our system works with any currency and in any country. Let's see how it works. If I want to send money to my mom in Venezuela, I just have to pay Valiu. Valiu finds the best crypto seller and sells that crypto in the country of destination to the highest bidder, who in return for the digital asset pays my mom fiat money. And that's it. Very simple. We already made 80 transactions, which represent $8,000 in monthly recurring volume. In October, we signed 5,000 people in a market that is 95% active. And in November, we can easily reach $100,000 in monthly recurring volume. This is a crowded market. You all know TransferWise, Western Union, or even Zoom by PayPal. However, all of them have dependencies on banks or even cryptos and protocols that they themselves have created. Valiu is different because we leverage existing crypto markets that already buy and sell billions of dollars in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other crypto. This allows us to land and expand faster than our counterparts. Valiu is a zero-commission remittances model, which means that the main pain point for our users is solved. We make money charging $10 a month for premium features like group payments, higher transfer limits, and even notifications on best exchange times. We also make 0.2% on each crypto transaction, which means that we can attract more users and ultimately make more money than charging high commissions. We have a better exchange rate by 20%, the best price versus the speed ratio, and it's very safe. It's built on blockchain with an escrow system that protects our users. We have the right combination of skills in computer sciences and sales to make this into a billion-dollar venture. And we have the right investors backing us up. Ladies and gentlemen, please join Valiu in building the future of finances for the world. Thank you.
Great presentation, thanks.
Thank you.
One thing I didn't understand is, after the transaction is completed on the crypto markets, how does your mom in this example get the fiat currency? Is there still somebody that has to physically go to potentially a bank in Venezuela, hopefully get there within an hour, pull out the cash before the currency exchange
It's a great question. So what happens is that the money actually never leaves the country of origin or enters the country of destination. So it's a redistribution of cash in each country. And the person that pays my mom, he usually says in the crypto market, I want to buy crypto, and these are the banks that I have money in. So when we use the announcement of crypto, the ad of crypto, this guy says, we work with Wells Fargo, and he transferred directly to my mom's, and those transfers between banks in the same bank are instant. So, and we have this escrow system where he sends the money transfer confirmation, so, and then we release the Bitcoin.
There's a few players in your market, right? There's the receiver, the sender, and then those who are involved in the crypto exchange. Where do you see the biggest risk, and how are you going to go after this market?
So we want to go after emerging economies initially, and our go-to-market strategy is basically combining a crypto marketplace on the back end, which is different than an exchange like Coinbase or Binance or Bitfinex. This is more like imagine a Craigslist for crypto. And combined with the demand of remittances, we can balance both markets and attract more users on both ends. So that's how we're gonna